I got the radiator fixed. There was a small leak, and now I'm going to add the radiator flush, which you add cold and then run the engine for at least 15 minutes, or I would say possibly 15 minutes after the engine has reached normal operating temperature. And after that I will drain the coolant and then refill it up and add the conditioner here. I should be able to show you what comes out of the radiator. And so far I have drained the radiator one time already, and I'll show you a picture of that. It's just sort of fairly regular green radiator fluid. I have added it, filled it up with water, and I'm excited to see what the radiator flush will bring out. This is what came out of the radiator after using MotorPower Care's flush. Now, in all truth, it's not very green because I had a lot of water added, having drained it once before. Well, you know my car's got a radiator leak. After 12 years, I'm very happy that that's really all it has. I have MotorPower Care's radiator stock leak. I'm going to add it now to the cold engine, as the instructions say. Add it to the cold engine and then warm that up and turn the heater on to circulate it all the way through the system. Guys, here I am in the car, 1991 Volkswagen GTI, driving along. I've just put in the radiator stop leak. You put that in the engine cold, you put it in the radiator cold. It's not safe to open the radiator cap when you've been driving it when the engine's hot. So pop that in. That's just like the radiator flush. You would also use the same safety precaution. And then I set the internal cabin heat on hot per the instructions, and that will circulate the coolant through the radiator and through the internal cabin heater. So I'm just cruising along here. The car's running absolutely beautifully. Got the sunroof open because it's toasty warm. It's like 80 degrees here. So I'm trying to get that heat out of the car because it's like unpleasant. What I will be doing next, as you will have seen that there are photographs that I've taken with the ultraviolet light that showed where the leaks were occurring from down the side of the radiator itself. And they're small leaks, but when under pressure after I'd run the car, you know, it would leave a little bit of radiator fluid. Earlier today, I put in the MotorPower Care radiator stop leak. And I'm very, very happy to say that having taken a drive, I parked it on my driveway. But in that earlier video, I stated that my next step, now that the car is nice and cold, is that we're going to show you. There's the right down there is the remaining radiator fluid. So I've got my hose and go back, please.
Yeah, I can see some of the green stuff.
I'm just going to wash that away.